Mellow Just Mallet 18 inches heavy-duty platform bed frame. Foundation featuring a new way to assemble a bed frame, Just Mallet. Using only a mallet to secure the connection. Your frame will be assembled in minutes. Plastic cupping on metal legs protects your floors. Just Mallet provides a modern look and dependable support for memory foam, latex, or spring mattresses. Enjoy 15 inches of under-bed clearance for keeping those needed items conveniently stored away. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Just Mallet platform bed features a simple, versatile design with even simpler assembly. Number 2. Easy assembly in minutes with only a mallet needed to secure the connections, free mallet included. Number 3. Solid wood slats less than 3 inches apart help prevent sagging and increase mattress life. No box spring is needed. Number 4. Noise-free foam padding along the center bar for quiet, restful nights. Number 5. Non-slip tape on the wooden slats to prevent your mattress from sliding. 5-year manufacturer's warranty. Number 6. Easy assembly. We send you a free rubber mallet, the only tool you will need to put your new bed frame together. It's portable, reusable, and yours to keep. Number 7. Classic wooden slats. Classic wooden slats are designed for easy installation and come with non-slip tapes for stable mattress support. Make sure to only peel off the top vinyl strip and not the whole tape. Number 8. Built to last. Quietly, Just Mallet platform beds are constructed with 100% premium heavy-duty steel to stand the test of time and engineered to be noise-free. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.